What a game today. It was really fun. I am really happy that they finally lost the game. Bhima, they had to finally lose the game. But you are just like a big sack. You can't even run. Hey Sukuta, that's the reason I had kept him as a last player. So that he doesn't have to run. See, I'm smart. Yeah, the ball used to slip from his hands. Actually, I was looking at the ball and running. But still the ball fell down. Of course the ball will fall. You were running in slow motion and moving with style. That's the whole reason you fell down. What do I do? I was running behind the ball, but it still fell down. Hey Bhima, just because of your elephant body, we could have lost the winning game. So I'm an elephant and you are an ant. You are talking as if you did wonders in the game. You're calling me an ant? Do you even know what an ant can do if it goes inside the ears of an elephant? Shut up. Hey Sukuta, you are talking as if you are very strong. Look at his body first. If he hits you, you will be all over the place. If you both keep fighting always, I can't help you patch again and again. Just forget about all this, Sukuta. I am feeling like eating something nice. Are you guys feeling like eating something nice? Hey Gaura, what would you like to eat? Hey Bhima, I am feeling like eating something sweet. Why don't you go home and eat 2 spoons of sugar? Yeah, today you will eat sugar and tomorrow you will have upset stomach. Understood? It's okay. I have no problem. I will eat from the right hand and will scratch from the left hand. Hey Gaura, listening to you even I am feeling like eating sweets. What's there at your home to eat? Tell me. Chocolate, cake, sweets. Tell me, what's there at your home to eat? It's been a year now that I haven't seen any chocolates, cake or sweets. Then where shall I get it for you? There is only sugar and Amul milk powder. That too my mom hides and keeps in the kitchen. What did you say? Amul? Oh no! Hey Gaura, Amul is really very tasty. Really. Alright then. We should not delay it further. That's alright. But where will we go? Hey Sukuta, let's go to my house. But mom might have hidden Amul somewhere. How will I find it? Yeah man, so true. This is the same story everywhere. Now what do I say about my mom? My mom keeps Amul in the cupboard. Hey Bhima, you don't worry at all. Whatever it may be, we will anyhow eat Amul today. Hey Bhima, listen to me. Mom must be praying at this time. We shall go inside from the back door and shall quietly take Amul and then eat it at a safe place. Gaura, in case if uncle knows about this, he will really beat us hard. Hey Sukuta, you always talk so negative, man. Just be positive. Come on, let's go now. Okay, let's go. Hey Sukuta, I am going inside, okay? Hey Gaura, not sure if auntie is praying. I can't hear anything. I guess she is not praying. Hey Sukuta, what's wrong with you? Why do you always think negative? People have different ways of praying. She must be lighting the lamp or praying within her mind. Yes Bhima, I guess you are right. Hey Gaura, you go inside. Hey Gaura, be careful. Don't bang anywhere. If you hit somewhere, then there will be noise. Go quietly and get the Amul container. Don't make any noise. Alright, I understood. Let me go now.
Oh, maybe that's a cat again.
Bhima, Gaura's mom got to know about it. All went in vain. Now we will not get to eat Amul. My mouth is really watering. Meow, meow, meow.
Oh God, this black cat came in again. She comes every day in my kitchen and troubles me.
Hey Gaura, great. You got Amul. Yeah, Sukuta, I got it. I got the full container. Wow. Finally, we will eat Amul today. Really awesome. Hey Bhima, please eat slowly. You want to eat everything together? Why are you getting bothered? Gaura gave me Amul and I am eating his Amul. I got Amul to make you guys happy. Of course I am happy, Gaura. Hey, you have eaten 2 big chunks of Amul, so it's obvious that you will be happy. Hey, don't talk too much. Give me whatever is left over. I will eat it all. Hey Bhima, don't eat so much. Otherwise the stomach will burst one day. Hey Sukuta, I am also waiting for that day. He will eat and blast one day. And we will look at him and have fun. Alright guys, I'll keep this container back. No one should come to know about this.
Hey Shuruma!
What happened, sweetheart? Why are you shouting out loud?
Arey, if you have done your prayers, then give me a cup of tea, no? I'm having a bad headache.
You already have had 4 cups since morning. And you want 1 more cup of tea? Anyway, I'll get it for you. Hey, Look at this. The container was full in the morning. How come it is less than half now?
What happened? What are you telling? What's not there, Shuruma?
Amul container is empty. While praying, I could hear someone's noise in the kitchen. I thought it was a cat.
Listen to me, Shurama. All this is not done by the cat. It's all done by Goro.
Oh, Gora. Let him come today.
No. When he comes home today, nothing will change. Because if we ask him, he will not accept it.
So what do I do now?
Listen, Shuruma. Do one thing. Fill all-purpose flour in the container instead of Amul. When he comes next time to eat Amul, he will end up eating flour.
Yeah, you are absolutely correct. We will catch this naughty boy red-handed one day.
Gora, don't know why I'm getting a bitter taste in my mouth. Even I am getting a bitter taste in my mouth.
Oh, is it Bhima? You always have some or the other problem. Tell me what you guys want to do.
What else can we do? What if we go to your house like the other day and eat Amul again? Yeah,
Alright.
let's go.
Hey Bhima, Sukuta, I got the container. Come on, why delay?
Hey, superb. Come on, open the container fast. My mouth is already watering. Hey, Gora, open the container quickly, else Bhima will eat Amul along with the container.
Yeah, Sukuta, I am opening it.
Oh God, what the hell? I ate a lot altogether. This is not Amul. This is flour. Go get water quickly. I am feeling like vomiting.
Yes, this flour is stuck all over inside my mouth like a gum.
Hey Gora, this flour is stuck all over my mouth. I'm not even able to open my lips.
Okay, this means that you guys are the ones who stole my Amul. You ate the entire container of Amul in one day?
Hey Sukuta, come, run. If uncle sees us, then he will beat us badly.
Oh, so you were the ones who stole Amul and ate it. Hey Goro, you notorious boy, let me teach you a lesson.
Hey Dad,
Hey.
leave me.
Hey.
I'll not steal and eat again. Please forgive me. Hey Dad, please leave me. Oh God. Hey Mom, Sukuta, Bhima, where are you going? Hey, wait. Sukuta, Bhima, where are you going? Hey Dad, please leave me.
Where are you guys running away? Wait there, Sukuta. Bhima, wait there.
Hope you guys liked our video. Please subscribe to our channel and share your comments. And don't forget to like and share our videos. Thank you all. Have a good day. If you really love me, then do subscribe my channel and give 30,000 likes. Okay? Bye bye.